Hello guys and welcome to this new video in which I will show you from A to Z how to launch kivymdStudio under Windows. So I hope you are well. Here it's Swilly from .py, and on this channel we do cool and fun stuff with Python and Kivym framework. Let's get to the heart of the matter. But before you start, don't forget to like, subscribe and activate the notification bell. It really helps the channel. Let's talk about serious things. Here is the repository of kivymdStudio. Download or clone the project. To go faster, I will download the zipped project. I'm going to open it, extract it on the desktop, and then open it in a terminal. Now we are going to install the project dependencies with one of the following two commands. All dependencies have been installed, so we can launch the studio. Running pystudio.py and waiting for it to load. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you kivymdStudio running on Windows. Let's start using kivymdStudio. For this, we will just emulate the calculator code from the documentation in the kivymdStudio/emulator folder. Now let's run the emulator. Click on the Run icon, then select the calculator.kv file in the kivymdStudio/emulator folder. Here is kivymd emulator successfully launched. Thank you for subscribing. Subscribe massively and share this tutorial with your loved ones who love mobile development with Python, Kivy, and kivymd framework. On this channel we will try to create templates from designs shopped on the net. Don't hesitate to ask me questions and to offer me templates if you have any. In the next tutorial we will create a login page. What do you think? Give your opinions in the comments. Enjoy Kivy and kivymd development. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.